Hello. With you information and analytical service System.GURU.Markets. Let's start with the corporation's summary data. If necessary, you can stop the video. We suggest that you consider all the indicators of the company being studied in detail. Now let's analyze the company's current fundamental indicators. Establishment Labs, ticker ESTA. This review is based on current information as of June 27, 2025. By classification, Guru.Markets organization Establishment Labs belongs to the subcategory Specialized Medical Equipment. 44 companies are participating in the assessment. Look for the order table at the end of the video. The overall result for the company under study is as follows: minus 8 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is 3.4 points. If you look at it broadly, within the framework of the entire US stock market in general, we see that the average rating for the stock market as a whole is 1.8 points. Against a minus rating, 8 points for Establishment Labs. By comparing the price movement of the company's shares Establishment Labs and subcategory companies, we see that over the past 12 months the company's shares Establishment Labs Holdings Inc. showed a dynamics of minus 8.3%. 21.7% are against price changes in the subcategory. Market capitalization of the organization Establishment Labs Holdings Inc. amounts to $1.18 billion, with a subcategory capitalization of $315 billion. The company's book value is estimated at $0.04 billion. The subcategory's book capitalization is $62 billion. Having compared the shares of market and balance capitalization, we can see the following. Occupied share Establishment Labs Holdings Inc. in the subcategory in case of market capitalization assessment is 0.375%. Book value capitalization is 0.061%. Assessment of the organization's share of market and balance sheet capitalization in the subcategory bad minus 1 point. The organization's debt obligations amount to $0.22 billion. Debt to book value is 585% of capital. The company's debt rating, very bad, minus 2 points. The balance of the company's stock market value to its profit is 0, with an average in the subcategory of 86.8. Assessment of the market price to profit ratio in comparison with organizations in the subcategory, very bad, minus 2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was minus $89 million. Forward earnings for the next 12 months are unknown. Evaluation of indicators of projected future profit in comparison with the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The company's value to revenue ratio is 6.9. Average for the subcategory is 6.1. Evaluation of the company's stock market value to revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. Revenue for the last 12 months was $170 million. Forward revenue for the next 12 months is unknown. Evaluation of the indicator of expected future sales volumes in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The sales margin is minus 52.4%, with an average of 7.1% in the subcategory. Evaluation of sales profitability in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, minus 0.5 points. The company's share by number of employees in the subcategory is 0.664%. This is 77% more than the market capitalization share. The amount of market capital per employee of the company is $1,160,000. And for the subcategory, $2,053,000. Assessment of the volume of market capital per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The amount of profit per individual employee of the company is minus $87,500. Average in the subcategory, $23,700. Evaluation of profit per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, talent, minus 0.5 points. The share of revenue per individual employee of the organization is $167,000. Subcategory, $334,000. Evaluation of sales volume per employee of the company in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, minus 0.5 points. The short position of shares is 16.2%, compared to the average for the subcategory of 3%. Technical indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 64% for the company Establishment Labs, whereas in the subcategory this level is approximately 58%. The company's current stock price is approximately $40.83. The consensus price estimate for the company's shares is approximately $54.49. Let's look at the table of orders that is available to you. Link in the pinned comment. The order table contains all publicly accepted decisions of the reference system this season, Guru.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open. Link in the pinned comment. As a result of the analysis Establishment Labs Holdings Inc. Information and reference system for stock evaluation Guru.Markets, a decision has been made. Open a sell trade at $40.84. The order is open because the company has a rather low valuation. The organization was assessed using the assessment methodology, the Akeem's Index. Take profit is set at 22.74. Stop loss is set at 58.94. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss, then the order is closed automatically based on the results of exchange trading on July 27, 2025, or on the last trading day before the specified date. Ticker GMED is the main buy order. The video for the main order has already been published on this channel. When one of the orders is closed, the main or balancing one, the opposite order is closed at the actual price. Thank you all very much for watching to the end and for using the information and reference system, Guru.Markets.